OUKITEL has announced that its latest rugged phone is the first of its kind to ship with Android 11 out of the box. The device is also promoted as lightweight, which, given its MediaTek Helio A22 processor and 4GB of RAM, 5.5 inches in diagonal length, which could make it a mini rugged phone. It does have IP68, IP69K, and MIL-STD 810G durability standards. It will start at a sale from today for a ridiculously low price of only $89.99. If you haven't yet, this is the right opportunity to buy your first rugged smartphone. But that's not all. If you participate in OUKITEL's giveaway, with a little luck you might as well win one WP12 rugged phone with the new Android 11 OS for yourself. The more entries you get, the higher is the chance you will win in this giveaway. OUKITEL's official links are below the video and don't forget to click on them. Let's take a look further in the video to see what interesting device this is about.